Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Framer. This is a simple but essential formatting feature that can help emphasize important information on your website or add visual hierarchy to your design. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to framer.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple Framer workspaces, as this will determine which projects and websites you have access to. After logging in, you'll land on your Framer dashboard. This is where all your projects and websites are stored. Take a moment to locate the specific project or website where you want to underline text. Once you've found it, click on it to open it up. This will load your project in the Framer editor, where you can make all your design and text formatting changes. Now that your project is open, you need to find the text element you want to underline. Scroll through your page or use the Layers panel on the left side to locate it quickly. Once you've spotted the text, click directly on it. This will select the text element and activate the editing options on the right side of your screen. With your text selected, shift your attention to the right side panel. Here, you'll see various formatting options for your text. Look for the section labeled Text, and you'll notice a small plus icon right beside it. Click on that plus icon. This will reveal additional text styling options that aren't immediately visible by default. From the menu that appears, click on Decoration. As soon as you select this option, your text will automatically be underlined. It's that straightforward. The underline appears instantly, giving your text that emphasized look you were going for. And there you have it. You've successfully underlined text in Framer using the built-in text decoration feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.